Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, J-10CE fleet unlikely to bring any A2A superiority over Indian jets. According to leaked internal reports from the USAF, the true capabilities of China's PL-15 Very Long Range Air-to-Air Missile BVRAM might be outstated. While China claims a range of 200 kilometers, the USAF report suggests this may be significantly reduced due to launch restrictions. The report indicates that achieving the advertised 200 kilometer range hinges on a critical launch condition. The fighter jet firing the missile must be traveling at Mach 1.2 at an altitude of 10 km. However, real-world combat scenarios often involve different launch conditions. Next, SAIL develops NG steel for India's S-5 ballistic missile submarines. Steel Authority of India Limited, that is SAIL, Bhilai Steel Plant is playing a crucial role in India's indigenous underwater defense capabilities. The plant is pioneering the development of NG steel specifically designed for the S-5 class of nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines, that is SSBNs. SAIL Bhilai's expertise in high-grade steel is not new. The part previously developed special steel plants for the prestigious Vikrant-class aircraft carrier program. Now they are leveraging this knowledge to create an optimized variant specially for submarine constructions. Next, Indian Navy testing micro AUVs. The Indian Navy is actively exploring innovative solutions to address the shortage of minesweeper boats in its fleet. One such solution is the deployment of micro-autonomous underwater vehicles, that is micro AUVs, for minesweeping operations. Developed by Bharat Electronics Limited, these micro AUVs are designed for efficiency and maneuverability. With a length of only 2.5 meters, they can navigate areas inaccessible to larger vessels. Their endurance of 7 to 9 hours allows them to conduct extensive mine clearance mission. Next, why IAF should have considered licensed production of the Antonov AN-12. India's foray into military transport aviation has seen a rich history, with the Antonov AN-12 playing a significant role for a period. However, unlike China's People's Liberation Army Air Force, which pursued licensed production of the AN-12, known as the YB in China, with great success, India did not. Next, Su-57 gets a drone wingman. The United Aircraft Corporation UAC of Russia has taken a leap forward in aerial combat technology with a patent for an air-launched unmanned aerial vehicle designed for the Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jet. This marks a significant development in modern warfare strategies. Unlike traditional drones launched from runways, this UAV deploys from the Su-57's internal weapon base, maintaining the fighter's stealth profile. The drone boasts impressive performance with a turbojet engine propelling it to speeds of approximately 715 km per hour and an operational ceiling of 8 kilometers, that is 5 miles. Next, Russian investment reaches $1.26 billion in Indian economy. Russian direct foreign investment in India has reached $1.26 in the aerospace, defense, chemical, oil and gas industry and other strategic sectors. Secretary of the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade of the Indian Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Rajesh Kumar Singh said.
Thank you.